Question number 11. I have my class intervals and the frequencies. Now I need to find my mean deviation about my median. Okay. So median, this is the formula that we learned. So median equals L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H, where L is the lower limit of the particular class interval that we find out. We saw it in the examples. If you see my previous videos, you'll understand, but I'll explain it again. Okay. So if n by 2 na, n is the sum of all my Fi's. That is my capital N. N by 2 na, adoda division, adoda half. Okay. Minus CF, cumulative frequency is CF, F is the frequency, so the respective frequency, times H. H is the range, which is upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. Upper median, mean deviation with respect to median in the formula. We'll see each and every step. So median nale enna pannano? If it's ungrouped data, you have to arrange them in the ascending order. If it's grouped data, you have to find the cumulative frequency. Correct? Cumulative frequency we want the frequencies to be arranged in proper order. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல 6, 8, 14, 16, but இங்க திடீர்னு decrease ஆகுது. கரெக்ட்டா? I don't want that. So what am I going to do? 6 அப்படியே போட்டுறலாம். The first line is the same. So 6 plus 0, nothing is added. So 6. இப்போ 8 is added to 6. So 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 14, 28. 28 plus 16 is 44. 44 plus 4, 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. So you also see that the sum of all this is 50. So this is my n. இப்போ n by 2 என்ன? N by 2 is 50 divided by 2, which is 25. Okay, how do you choose your L value, H, CF, F? How do you choose all that? So you have n by 2 is 25. You have to look where 25 is included in the cumulative frequency. If 6 na artham, all the values from 1 to 6 are included in this. If 28 na, all my values from 1 to 28 are included. All my values from 1 to 44 are included in this. If 25 enga include aayirukku, it is not included here. You have only values till 14. So inge include aayirukka? Yes. Yes, but which one do you take? You take the closest value. Okay. So in this I have 1 to 28. So the number 25 is included in this. So you take whichever value is nearest. So this is my class interval. Okay. So how do I choose my other values? If n by 2 theriyum, what is my L? L is the lower limit. So what is my lower limit? 20. Then cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency na, I have to look for the cumulative frequency which is one row above the box that we just put. So in the box pota idu da cumulative frequency. So one line above enna irukku 14. What is my frequency? You have to check in the same line. So what is my frequency for this particular class interval? 14. Okay. Rendu value mein 14, so don't get confused. Cumulative frequency is this 14, frequency is this 14. Okay. And what is my H? H is my range, which is 30 minus 20. 30 minus 20, which is 10. So ipo median kandupidikalama. What is my median? What are my other columns? So I need to find out first xi veno. This is all grouped data, which is continuous frequency distribution. So xi veno. After finding xi, what do I need? Xi minus m, adoda absolute value. Then I have to multiply that with fi. So fi times xi minus m. For this I need to find the value of m. Correct? So in the formula substitute panna L, which is 20, plus n by 2, which is 25, minus cumulative frequency, which is 14, divided by normal f, which is also 14, times h, which is 10. Ipo idu panna, first you have to subtract, divide, then multiply, then add. Okay, so this is the order. Direct இப்படி add பண்ணிடக்கூடாது. Okay, so this is the order. So 25 minus 14 and 11. So I have 11 divided by 14. So I can cancel this. 2 7s are 2 5s are. So what do I have? 20 plus 25 minus 14 is 11. 11 times 5 is 55. So I have 55 divided by 7. 55 divided by 7 and I have 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 7s are 49. 49 50 60. 7 8s are 56. So 7.8 வருது. So 20 plus 7.8 is 27.8. Okay. 20 plus 7.8 is 27.8. So this is my median. Now I need to find what my xi is first. Adukapra subtract. Xi என்னது? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 10 plus 0 divided by 2, which is 5. I will erase this. Then idoda middle value 15. Then 25, 35, 45, 55. Nothing else. Okay. Ipo xi minus m pananum. So I need to do 5 minus 27.8. So 27.8 minus 5 and 22.8. 22.8 with a minus sign, but absolute value irukradhunala the minus goes off. 15 minus 27.8 is 12.8. 25 minus 27.8, 2.8. 35 minus 27.8. So 35.0, 27.8. So I have 7.2. This is 7.2 now, this will be 17.2 and this will be 27.2. You see the values are increasing by 10. Appa difference ume 10 na increase agum. Here what do you see? the values are increasing by 10. So difference is getting reduced by 10. This is the middle value, correct? So inge the values increase ago, inge the value decrease ago. Okay, so this is the pattern I'm following. That's why I'm writing it quickly. Now I need to multiply this with Fi. So these two columns are the columns that I need to focus on. So 6 8s are 48, 4 6 2s are 12, 13 14 15 16, 1 6 2s are 12, 13, 136.8. Okay, adhe mari 8 into 8 64, 6 carry over, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 6 22, 2 carry over, 8 1s are 8, 9 10. Okay, now this 28 into 14. So 28 into 14, 8 4s are 32, 3 4 2s are 8, 9 10 11. 8 ones are 8, 2. So I have 392. So this is 39.2. 16 into 72. So 72 into 16. 6 2s are 12. 1 7 6 are 42. 43, 2, 7. So then I go 1152. So I have 115.2. Next 4 into 17.2. So I have 4 2s are 8. 7 4s are 28. 2 carry over. 4 1s are 4. 5 6. I'll erase this. Now I have 27.2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. 7 2s are 14. 1 carry over. 2 2s are 4. 5. Okay, now I need to add all these values to substitute it in the formula. Now 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 2 14. 16. 16 plus 8 24. 24 plus 4 28. 2 carry over. 2 8. 8 plus 2 10. 19. 24. 32. 36. 3 carry over. 9. 9. 3, 6, 9, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 5 is 21, 2 carry over, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 506.8. Now mean deviation in the formula substitute panna, mean deviation about median is 516.8 divided by 50. So that is my sigma Fi. Now in the 5 table panna, I have 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 zeros are, 5 3s are 15, 1 irukku, again 5 3s are 15, 3 irukku, 5 6 are 30. Now 103.36 divided by 10. Divided by 10, the decimal place gets shifted to the right. So I have 10.336. This is my mean deviation. Okay. Moving on to question number 12. So what do I have? The class intervals are 16 to 20, 21 to 25, 26 to 30. What do you see? They are not continuous. The final value here is not equal to the first value here. The upper limit and the lower limits of the consecutive steps are not equal. Correct? You have to make them equal. You have to have a continuous frequency distribution. Only then you can use the formulas that you just learned. Continuous na artham. The upper limit here and the lower limit here should match. So here you see 25 and 26. So how can you make them match? Now in that line 16 to 20 21 to 25 So what can I do? I can subtract 0.5 here and I can add 0.5 here. Similarly, I can subtract 0.5 here and add 0.5 here. Okay, nothing is going to change. So, inge subtract panna enna agum 15.5 to 20.5. Inge subtract panna enna agum 20.5 to 25.5. So, you see the upper limit here and the lower limit here matches. Okay, so this is what we are going to do for each and every step. That's why I have two columns. So, enna agapodhu 16 will become 15.5 to 20.5. I'll erase this column for a while. So I have 15.5 to 20.5. Here I have 20.5 to 25.5, 25.5 to 30.5, 30.5 to 35.5, 35.5 to 40.5. Basically, I am subtracting 0.5 from the lower limit and I am adding 0.5 to my upper limit. Okay, so 40.5 to 45.5, 45.5 to 50.5, 50.5 to 55.5. So this is my new class interval. So what are my frequencies? I'll just copy the values. Fi enala irukku 5, 6, 12, 14, 26, 12, 16 and 9. So these are my Fi's. Ipo enna veno first xi veno. Then I need to find my xi minus m oda modulus. Then I need to multiply it with Fi. Now we are dealing with median, correct? So I need my cumulative frequency. So I need my cumulative frequency. Then I have xi. I need to find what my xi is, which is the middle value of all this. Then I need to subtract my median. Then I need to multiply that with my Fi. Xi minus m. Okay. So first cumulative frequency. So when I add this, first 5, then 6 is added. So I have 11. 11 plus 12, 23. 23 plus 14 is 37. 37 plus 26 is 63. 63 plus 12 is 75. 75 plus 16 is 91. 91 plus 9, 100. Super. So, sigma Fi is also 100, which is my capital N. If a capital N வந்து 100 na, what will be my median? N by 2 is 100 divided by 2, which is 50. So I found out my N by 2. Where is my N by 2? 37 la irka? Illa. 63 la irka? I have all the values from 1 to 63. So this is my class interval that I am looking for. So let me write down all the other values from the formula. So ipo entha class interval nu kandupidichachu. This is the block I am looking for. So what is my L value? The lower limit, which is 35.5. Okay, you are no more dealing with this. This has become your new class interval. So 35.5 is my lower limit. Next I need my cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency is the frequency which is one line above the boxed one. So 37 is my cumulative frequency. What is my frequency? The respective row liye paakano. So it is 26. This is my frequency. Then I need my H. H enadhu 40.5 minus 35.5. So 40.5 minus 35.5, which is 5. So H is 5. Ipo median enna? I need to find my median to substitute it in the formula. So median is, so what is my L value? 35.5 plus N by 2, which is 50, minus cumulative frequency, which is 37, divided by F, which is 26, times 5. So first subtract panna, 50 minus 37 is 13. 13 divided by 26 is 1 by 2, correct? So I have 35.5 plus 5 divided by 2. 5 by 2 is 2.5. 2.5 plus 35.5 is 38. So my median is 38. Let me find out my values of xi now. Xi is 15.5 plus 20.5 divided by 2. So it is 10, 1, 6, 3. So 36 divided by 2 will be 18. So what is my middle value? It is 18. So in that middle value, it will be 23. Okay? 23. Then here it will be, what did I do? 15, 16, 17, 18. 3 add padra. Okay? So I have 20, 21, 22, 23. 25, so 28. 30, so 33. 35, so 38. 40, 43. 45, 48. What is my last value? 53. So these are my values of xi. Okay? Don't get mixed with this. This is my median. Now 53. What is my xi minus m? My m is 38. So 18 minus 38 is minus 20. Absolute value it will be plus 20. 23 minus 38, which will be 15. 28 minus 38, 10. 33 minus 38, 5. 38 is 0. 43 minus 38 will be 5. 48 minus 38 is 10. 53 minus 38 is 15. So these are my values of xi minus m. Now I have to multiply that with fi into xi minus m. So when I multiply these two columns, I have 100. 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. 3, 90. Then I have 12 into 10, which is 120. 14 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 2 5 1s are 5. 6, 7. Then I have 26 into 0. 0. 12 into 5. 60. 16 into 10. 160. 9 5s are 45. 4 9 1s are 9. 10 11 12 13. Okay. So I need to add all this to substitute it in the formula. So I have 5, then 9, 10, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 30, 33. 3 carry over, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 735. This is my summation. So what is my mean deviation? With mean deviation about my mean is 735 divided by sigma fi. What is my sigma fi? 100. So 2 decimal places, 7.35. This is my mean deviation about my mean. So we are done with exercise 15.1. Let's move on to other examples. Okay.